It's very good to see these carbon areas that try and bring country back to how it was once. This happened 6 years ago, this project, and it was to try and bring the fauna back. Planting the right trees that was once here is a big thing.
Carbon plantings are important because they help us to address climate change. This project, for example, was once a cow paddock and now it's a mixed species planting. They can also earn carbon credits and give people opportunities to get back onto country and to care for country.
This is bringing songlines back in place and making the stories align again.
The New South Wales Government is seeking expressions of interest from Aboriginal organisations keen to own and manage carbon projects on their land.
Get the right information, go for a walk with elders, have a yarn, know what was here first and understand what investments that can help your local mob.